Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Jessica Jones Tutorials. Today what I'm going to be doing is actually going over this package that I got. It's the Sephora Favorites by Clean Beauty. It's a value of $153 and I got it for $44. Basically this is a lot of new skincare that I'm about to try, and I want to go over each of these items with you. And then I want to come back in about a couple of weeks to a month and tell you if any of them helped my skin or what I'm liking, what I'm not liking. And I basically want to do a trial of these products. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. That way you won't miss out on my future tutorials. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so let's see, what do we have first? Alright, this is Tatcha's The Deep Cleanse. It's a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. This is supposed to be a very gentle moisturizer, and actually have used something like this. I think I have used this specifically before, and it's actually really good. So this is also an item I have used before. It came in my Sephora Play box. This is the Ren Clear Skincare Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask, which I love. This one is like anytime your skin's in need of an urgent rescue, like for me, it was when I had been traveling and my skin was super dry from the airplane. So I used this mask and it revitalized my skin. So that comes in there as well. Tata Harper. I have not used a lot by Tata Harper before. This is the Regenerating Cleanser. Okay. Next Generation Beauty Regenerating Cleanser. There's no like how-tos or information. That's the only thing I don't like, because it doesn't come in its like actual packaging. I'm gonna have to look up online about all of this stuff and figure out what it is and what it does. This is the Kopari Coconut Milk, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. Some people use it as like a makeup remover, but it's a moisturizer, and you can use this basically head to toe, I think it says. Yeah, it says hydrate from head to toe, organic coconut oil. So I've heard lots of good things about Kopari. I haven't used a lot by them before, so that's kind of cool. All right, I do like Pharmacy. I've gotten something from them. It's like their honeybee lotion. It's lightweight, and I do like that. This is their Green Clean. It's a makeup remover. It says it's a makeup melt away cleansing balm with Echinacea Green Envy. It says it's a nourishing cleansing balm that erases makeup and gently lifts away impurities caused by pollution. Okay, that's really cool. How do you say this? Is it Boscia? Boscia? I think that's what it is. This is a Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. So this is a refreshing cleansing oil that dissolves impurities and makeup. To use, apply to dry skin and gently massage and face in circular motions. Rinse clean with water. So that's awesome. It's a makeup remover. I double cleanse, so sounds good to me. I always need cleansers because I'm always using them. Ooh, this is by Cora, and this is for all skin types. It's their Organics line. It's a face oil. Okay. It says to warm a few drops in the palms of your hands and apply over the face, neck, and décolletage after cleansing and before moisturizing. It's created with love by Miranda Kerr. Okay. Interesting. I didn't know that. So it's a face oil, but I'm guessing that it's more like an essence, if you will, because you're putting it on before you would your moisturizer. Okay. Again, with these names that I freaking can't pronounce, and I'm like, okay, maybe I should have looked that up prior to this video. This is the Briogeo, something like that. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask with no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. This contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils and hair essentials, vitamins B5, D, A, and E, and biotin to repair damaged hair, enhance shine, and reduce breakup by up to 81% after 3 usage. I just did my hair. I got it a little lighter. Got some balayage highlights in here. I'm going to go even a little bit lighter than this. So I need this right now, as do we all, I'm sure. It just says to like massage it into your hair after shampooing for like 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. So this is like exactly what my hairstylist was telling me I needed to get. So good. I know these names, but I like never had to say them out loud. Okay. Biosense Squalane plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. Ooh, what does that look like? Okay. It's just like a white, it looks like the Tatcha water cream. Apply to cleanse face and neck morning and night. So I guess it's supposed to be light enough for the morning. It's supposed to hydrate, brighten, and balance your skin. Okay. This is the Kale plus Tripeptide 5 Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid. Ooh, I love hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to basically bond the moisture molecules to your skin so your skin's extra hydrated. It says use after cleansing, put a small amount into palm and rub hands together, apply to dry or slightly moist face and neck for all skin types. Lastly, this is Pink Cloud. Herbivore's Pink Cloud. It's Rosewater Moisture Cream, and that's literally all it says on this tiny little bottle, but ooh, that does feel good. It's kind of like got a sunscreen flashback. So I'm going to be trying all of these products over the next couple of weeks, and I want to come back in a little while and film a video that'll be part 2 of what I think of all of these products. I have oily my T-zone, dry the rest of my face, combination skin with light acne flare-ups here and there, and large pores. So basically the worst skin you could think of, I have. I am very near and dear to knowing if something is going to make my face break out or make me look bad or mess up my skin. Like, trust me, I know it all. Okay, and I will come back and I'll tell you my thoughts. So that's it for this video. If you want to see more skincare videos, I've been really getting into skincare because you're only as pretty as your natural face. So go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for me, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great week. Bye.